Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating frontiers of human potential, the scientific investigation into how meditation actually remodels our brains. Whether you're a seasoned meditator or just curious about what happens beneath the surface, prepare to be amazed at what modern research is revealing about the power of the mind. When we think of meditation, we often imagine a calm person sitting cross-legged, eyes closed, breathing quietly. But from a scientific standpoint, meditation goes far beyond mere relaxation. Studies show it directly impacts two critical domains of our mental lives: attention and emotion. Why attention and emotion? Attention is our gateway to perceiving the world clearly, our ability to focus, sustain awareness, and filter out distractions. Emotion governs how we respond to challenges, how we empathize with others, and how we navigate life's ups and downs. The key question: can regular meditation practice transform these brain circuits? According to groundbreaking research, the answer is a resounding yes. Early studies trying to figure out what happens in the brain during meditation were like hunting for a needle in a haystack. Brain signals can be extremely faint and easily drowned out by background noise. Researchers often rely on advanced computer algorithms, what they call post-processing, to make sense of these millivolt-level signals. But then came a major turning point. Enter Mingyur Rinpoche, a long-term meditation practitioner who offered to sit for EEG, electroencephalogram recordings. His results were so striking that the scientists immediately suspected a system error. The signals were that unmistakable. What exactly did the scientists see? Gamma oscillations, fast and synchronized electrical activity in the brain. Typically, gamma waves show up briefly in an average person, usually under a second and at relatively low intensity. But in Mingyur Rinpoche's case, these oscillations were powerfully amplified. They persisted for minutes on end, essentially the entire duration of his meditation. This was unprecedented. No fancy algorithms required, just a raw, naked-eye view of these spectacular patterns. For the scientific community, it was like stumbling upon a hidden superpower in the human mind. Now, before you think you have to meditate for decades to unlock any benefit, here's the real kicker. Scientists tested people who practiced meditation for just 2 weeks, at 30 minutes a day, a total of about 7 hours. Even at this modest level of practice, researchers found measurable changes in brain activity. What does that mean? Neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize and adapt, is accessible to each of us. That plasticity doesn't demand a lifetime of devotion. A few hours, spread over days or weeks, can nudge our neural pathways toward better attention and emotional regulation. We might wonder, why does any of this matter? Beyond the fascinating science, these changes in the brain point to something profoundly human: the potential for greater well-being and compassion. Researchers emphasize that well-being and warm-heartedness aren't fixed traits. They're more like skills we can train, much like learning a musical instrument or a new language. Think about how powerful that is. If you feel scattered or emotionally off balance, meditation might help you cultivate mental clarity. If you long for more empathy and kindness in your life, certain meditative practices can strengthen those emotional circuits. So, how can you harness this transformative power? Here are a few practical tips. Start small. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day of focused breathing or guided meditation can begin to shift your brain's circuitry. Experiment. Try different forms of meditation: mindfulness, loving kindness, or mantra-based, to see which resonates with you. Stay consistent. Regularity is more important than long sessions. It's like watering a plant daily instead of flooding it once a week. Pair up. Meditating with friends or in a group can amplify motivation and hold you accountable. At the heart of this research lies a deeply human goal: understanding the nature of suffering and how to alleviate it. From stress and anxiety to challenges in relationships, the ripple effects of a calmer, more attentive mind can make a big difference in daily life. When we see hard evidence of how the brain transforms under meditation, it's not just an abstract idea. It's a tangible path to greater inner peace. It could mean feeling a bit less overwhelmed, reacting with more patience in high-pressure moments, or connecting more genuinely with loved ones. We're living in a remarkable era where ancient contemplative practices meet modern science. Evidence from labs around the world suggests that the mind can be systematically trained. If you're inspired by these stories of measurable changes in brainwaves, remember that those same transformations could be within your reach. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this exploration of meditation and the brain, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of human potential. Until next time, keep breathing, keep reflecting, and remember, true well-being can be cultivated one mindful moment at a time.